I want to let Mother know. Oh, look here. Yeah, stop there,
He's
Mr.
gonna
Man.
try and actually.
Well, look what he's driving. The car is moving. It's calling. Put your...
Alright, roll it up. Roll it up.
Mother, listen, okay? We're sitting right smack dab in the middle of a tornado. We're sitting in the middle of a tornado.
Put Robert on the line.
Is brother there? Okay. Put the on. Daddy, we're sitting in Colorado, right in the middle of a tornado. The car is rocking back and forth, and there's zero visibility and a strong wind. There's three. Huh?
I should have tried to beat it.
The one that stopped in front of us and the one that stopped across from us. Yes, and nobody's moving. We're just waiting. But the van is rocking back and forth. And there's mud things, looking things all over. Yeah, we're not far from the town, but we had to stop because we can't see anymore. We saw it coming, and we've had to pull over.
We're near Lamar, Colorado.
Lamar, Colorado. So I want to tell y'all I love you. Oh. Okay. Lamar, Colorado. We're near Lamar, Colorado. But we're still out. Oh man, this is terrible. You should see this. Hard winds and everything is dusty and gray. You can't see. And the cars are rocking back and forth.
It's clearing up a little bit.
But anyway, I love y'all. I'm going to hang up. Okay, please do. Please. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Pray.
All righty, we will. I promise. Okay. Bye-bye. We'll pray. Oh, yeah. You keep going, big ass. Look, these, are you moving?
No.
Or
no,
is it
it's just the wind.
Look at these people. Let's see what the truck does.
I'm not sure what the right thing to do is.
I'm not here, but I'll tell you what.
Huh?
Next time we'll know what to do. Now I have heard this right here. They said get out and lay down in a ditch. But they didn't say how big the ditch should be. That's mud. Look, I got it in the car when I rolled it down.
It seems like folks are starting to move now.
Is it? Look over there.
I'm not sure what we should do.
They talked about hail with her cars. Want me to pull it down?
Yeah. Well, you know what? It seems like the mud is blown through. Wow, look how fast he's going. Why is he going so fast? The radio tells us. I don't know what to do.
For many decades, what Yugoslavia is all about.
Get all wet. Out there.
Let me just go on.
I think so.
I think I'll just go on. I think I'll just go ahead and try and go on. Here.